Hi guys, Venkatesh here. Welcome to the next tutorial. Now that the JDK has been installed, we can go ahead and install the Eclipse IDE. So type into Google Eclipse IDE. Click on Eclipse Desktop and Web IDEs. I'll leave a link in the description below. Click on Download here. Click here for the Eclipse Installer. And then click Download here. Okay, next open the folder where your Eclipse Installer has been downloaded to. The file we're looking for is Eclipse-inst-mac64. Go ahead and double click this. Again, double click the installer. Click open. Okay, now this is the Eclipse installer. Here you can see the various packages available from Eclipse. The one that we require is going to be Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on this and now select your installation folder. I'm going to keep the default and click install. Accept the licenses. Here select this and then accept the certificates. Okay, now Eclipse has been installed. Go ahead and click the launch button here. Okay, on this screen, Eclipse will ask you to select a place for the workspace. Now the workspace is used for storing your projects and resources related to it. You can select to keep this as the default location, otherwise just click launch. Okay, great. So we've installed the Eclipse IDE and Java JDK. In our next tutorial, we'll create our first program and run it. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoy the video, please hit subscribe and the like button. And I'll see you in the next video.